gosh. I'm gonna zoom in on the right edge. Wait, turn off, turn off.
Are you sure it's done?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, that's close. Finally.
It's making a lot of north. All these little vortices. Okay, we need to get it.
Here, can you hold it so I can take pictures for a second? Wow, those are big.
Do you mind if I zoom in a lot?
Yeah, go ahead. Well, now we're getting close enough, it doesn't matter. It's definitely coming north now.
Yeah, no, it's definitely moving north.
Oh my gosh. I can't get out and take pictures of it. Gosh. It's past those trees. Wow. Zoom out just a little so you can see the trees.
It's HD.
These people want to go past me. Whatever.
They're gonna ruin this shot.
Probably should have gone faster.
What are these people doing?
I don't know about that.
Whoa, look at the debris. You see all that debris? Yeah.
Well, I guess we can get east of it now.
Trying to.
Finally. Just debris falling on us. Wow, that is violent. Holy crap. Are we just closer or did it just like... Oh my gosh.